हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मेसी पाठशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं फार्मास्यूटिकल ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस की कुछ एमसीक्यूज। चलिए फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी इस वीडियो को। तो फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज है, फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ब्लड प्रोडक्ट और टू ऑपरेट ब्लड बैंक लाइसेंस इज इशूड इन द फॉर्म नंबर। तो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 2A, 28A, 28, 28B, 28C। तो फ्रेंड, आप इसकी आंसर कमेंट करके बताइए। तो द राइट आंसर इज 28C। नेक्स्ट, द टर्म ऑफ पेटेंट फॉर द ऑर्डिनरी इन्वेंशन फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ पेटेंट इज। ऑप्शन इज 7 year, 14 year, 5 year, 10 year। The right answer is 14 year। Next, an example of artificial color is titanium dioxide, carmine, cochineal, curcumin। तो the right answer is caramel। Next, all adult employee for work in a shop or other establishment should not be work daily for more than 10 hour, 9 hour, 11 hour, 12 hour। So the right answer is D, 12 hour। Next, import of drug for personal use contains average doses in mg up to। Option is 200, 150, 100 and 50। The right answer is C, 100 mg। Next, all finished alcoholic preparations should be stored in jars or bottle, each containing not less than 1 liter, 2 liter, 2.25 liter and 5 liters। The right answer is C, 2.25 liters। Next, every year the Register of State Pharmacy Counseling is required to print the registers। Option is 1st January, 1st March, 1st April, 1st June। The right answer is C, 1st April। Next, the Pharmacy Counseling of India is also known as next, Central Counseling of Pharmacy, Central Druggist Association, State Pharmacy Council, Joint Pharmacy Council। The right answer is A, Central Counseling of Pharmacy। Next, the period and hour of training to be undertaken by a student pharmacist in a hospital is 500, 750, 600, then 800। The right answer is A. 500. Next, education regulations are approved by the state government, central government, Pharmacy Council of India, education institution. The right answer is C. Pharmacy Council of India. Next, manufacture without bond license are issued by Excise Commissioner, Drug Inspector, Government Analyst, and Registrar. The right answer is A. Excise Commissioner. The committee that advise the DTAB and various government is DCC, DEC, CCUM, and PCI. The right answer is A. DCC. Next, full form of FSSAI is Food Standard and Safety Authorities of India, Food Safety and Standard Administrators of India, Food Safety and Standard Affiliated Institute, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. The right answer is D. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Standard of cosmetic belongs to Schedule A, Schedule C, Schedule S, Schedule X. The right answer is Schedule C. Schedule S. Answer number C. Next, the alcoholic preparation can be stored in a warehouse of a maximum period of next 7 years, 5 years, 3 years, and 1 year. The right answer is C. 3 years. Next, the drug price control order comes into force in the year. Option is 1970, 1987, 1955, 1960. The right answer is answer B. 1987. Next, the government opium factory is situated at Ghaziabad, Lucknow, Srinagar, and Calcutta. The right answer is A. Gazipur. Next, the first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeias was published in the year 1940, 1985, 1955, 1915. The right answer is C. Next, life period of drug is that in Schedule K, Schedule Q, Schedule R, Schedule P, Schedule T. Life period of drug. The right answer is C. Schedule P. Next, in which year the DEC committee is established and submitted report respectively? 1920 1921, 1931 1930, 1914 40 to 1945, and 1930 to 1931. The right answer is D. The Central Drug Laboratory is established at Calcutta, Lucknow, Mumbai, and Kasauli. The right answer is A. Kolkata, Calcutta. The members of the DTAV hold the office for a period of 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 7 year. The right answer is B. 3 year. Next, which of the following are prohibited to be imported? Toilet preparations, misbranded drugs, urine drugs, and Schedule C. The right answer is B. Misbranded drugs. Next, offences and penalties under NDPS of opium Popeye. NLT 10 year which may extend to 20 year and with a fine NLT 1 lakh rupees which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. NLT 5 year which may extend to 10 year and with fine NLT 10 lakh rupees which may execute to the 20 lakh rupees. NLT 3 year which may extend to 6 year and with fine NLT 1 year 1 lakh rupees which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. NLT 15 year which may extend to 20 year and with fine NLT 1 lakh rupees which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. The right answer is A. Next question is, advertisements of prescription drugs are meant for physician, manufacturer, patient and retailer. So the right answer is A. Physician. Next, biological and microbiological tests are conducted at Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai and Kasauli. So the right answer is D. Kasauli. Next, DTAB contains space ex officio members 5, 6, 4, 8. So the right answer is D. 8 members, 8 ex officio members. Next, post-marketing surveillance comes under clinical trial phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 5. The right answer is D. Phase 5. Next, in 1985, one of the following act was passed: Narcotic and Physiotropic Substance Act, Drug and Magic Remedies Act, the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, or Poisonous Act. So the right answer is A. Narcotic and Physiotropic Substance Act. Next, grant of license to manufacture a drug requires Form 24, 25, 26, 27. The right answer is B. Form 25. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग फार्मेसी पाठशाला। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगती हो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एंड हमारी वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू।